Porsche Center Oakville, we've always been up for a challenge.
What do people mean when they talk about transaxle Porsches? This is obviously a transaxle car. What does that mean?
Well, it is. It's funny, almost all of our products, other than SUVs and sedans, are transaxle cars. Basically, transaxle means the transmission, the differential, and the axle are all in one unit. What makes this car unique, though, is the transaxle is not bolted to the engine. Most vehicles have them mated together. And then, of course, that weight is isolated in one area of the car, where here they broke it up with a long drive shaft and a torque tube, and they put the weight of the transaxle at the back and the weight of the engine at the front, and you get a great weight balance.
Right, cool. And then is there anything you can tell us about the turbo system?
They started playing with thermal management a little bit with the ceramic coated runners on the inside of the heads. The manifolds, which is a 2-in-1 manifold, is fully heat wrapped to help contain that heat so it doesn't, heat soak the area. You have a giant wastegate off the end there with a secondary dump that actually sort of bypasses the primary catalytic converter and has a little token catalyst on it. Yeah, it was their first sort of, well, not really first. They played a lot with turbos and stuff in the early 924 days, and even with the special edition 924 Carrera GTs and stuff. Yeah, it was their way of maintaining, or a little bit of thermal management there.